Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the settings option, and once you find it, press the start button to enter. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Here find the option called backlight, select it and press the start button to enter. And right here we have in dive, during activity, not during activity. In dive is basically when you're diving, and during activity is when you're tracking some kind of activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. And not during activities when you're not doing either diving or activity. First, let's select dive, then scroll down, and you should see the brightness option. Select it and press start. And here we can adjust the brightness of the backlight by using the up and down buttons. Then we can press the start button twice to confirm. Then we can press back, select during activity, and change it to something else, for example 5%, then press the start to confirm. And finally we can go back, find the not during activity, press start, select brightness, adjust it, and then press the start button to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the backlight brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.